Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to install the MEmu Emulator on Windows. So first open your browser and search for MEmu Emulator on Google. Then open the official website. So here, you can download the online installer or offline installer. So I will download the offline installer and open it now. After that, you can change the installation location if you want. Then click install and wait for the installation to finish. Once it's done, click load now and the emulator will start loading. After that, you will see that MEmu Emulator has been installed successfully on your Windows PC. Now let's change a few settings to get better performance. So open settings and if your computer has more than 8 GB of RAM, select top. Then if you have less than 8 GB of RAM, select high. You can also enable root if you need it. After that, open the display tab and change the resolution to match your screen size. Then save the settings and you are ready to use MEmu Player. Now just open the Play Store and sign in with your Google account. So that's it for this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.